This thing is finished. I didn't film this because it was not worth it. You don't hear another bit of tape on that, right?
What's wrong?
You don't hear. Hey, you can't get this one off if I stick it on there.
See how it looks.
So once I straighten everything out, I put we took a body filler. So we just put body filler, sand, wet body filler, just do a little touch up on it. We put a little bit more primer on it to kind of. We put 3 coats of primer. And then we add 3 or 4 layers of paint because we add. I took this to check the noise and whatever, because it just needs to get back in there. That's how you do it. I'm gonna try this. I gotta adjust this door. Because I can see a shiny part.
It's still loose.
So this machine been good to us. So we had, I want to say, 6 years going on right now. So we bought this thing used.
Yeah.
So we bought it from, right?
Yeah.
So it's getting shorter. So that's a bad thing, right? Right, Papa? Once I get things slowed down, so I gotta take it off. What's the shot weight, so we can just do ourselves, because Papa knows how to do it. Place seals in it's gonna be a new it's gonna be, I'm not gonna say who it is, but you guys will wait and see. Yeah. So comment down below who's gonna be new generation. He's gonna sound work a video, but he's gonna still. So you ready?
Yep.
I think more often. Oh, it's got the seal thing. What do you want to do now? Hey, got this? Just send me where it sucks. Yeah. Right? So this thing is in.
Careful so you don't blow.
One hole, just like that. Just like. So wait till it's dry. Wait till this tomorrow, maybe, or something like that.
What's that?
We can wait till this tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later. Just come here tomorrow and finish that time you got. Anyway, I'll see you guys.
This one's no good either. I need other people to work my camera one day.
Hey Nicole, if you're watching this video, oh yeah. She would work with me, she said,
Open the door. And I got nothing to wash.
Here?
Huh?
Is that up there?
I got a
It's been sitting there for a while. That chicken will be good. I think she'll be ready. You got a way to bench me or something? Anytime we try to find the garbage, I always in a fire pit, a hole in it. That'll never happen because it releases the pressure inside of the tank, so I can't squeeze on it. Like this. So I can't find the garbage right away. So I always